Hi, thanks for stopping by. This is just a quick video on the MailChimp RSVP buttons. They've been around a while for us and definitely one of the more popular options with the calendar invite server. So let's just get into it. I'm going to pick an event in my own account. Here it is under Greg. I'm going to pick out the Dodgers. You're going to see the Dodgers load. Again, do it again. Change event, Greg. I'm going to go back to Greg. I'm going to pick out, say, the Athletics. And what I would do to just generate a simple embeddable piece of code, you can see the code would change down here. Let me just go here to the generator. So as I click around, you'll see the API being real-time generated for SendGrid, HubSpot, and generic. So as I go across this array up here, our code is generated. And that means when I take this code here, and if I was to copy the link, and then I would actually go to our embedder. So I'm right here in the navigation bar. I just copied the code. I selected the event. I copied the code. And what I would do, as I showed you all here live, I would define, excuse me here, that's why I have this as a guide. I would set up essentially what I want to do here with the landing page. I can use the default one. This is the default one here. If I was to use this, it would basically show this data to the customer. Your calendar invite is on its way. We do the stock landing page here, or you can generate your own. You can put in here. But other than that, you copy the data here, which is this API. And this API is using our REST API for this UID for this account. And again, if I wanted to change it, I could pick out somebody else. I could generate the code, copy the link. The point is, after I iterate through that, what I need to do is stuff it into the RSVP button. And so to do that, you're just going to generate that code. And that code here, as I gather it, is stuffed into this RSVP button for MailChimp. So as I get out of this mode here, I'm in. I'll take you into this piece here. And then as you guys all know, you know how to do the call to action buttons in MailChimp. You just go into here, you insert the RSVP code, which is essentially our API. When someone clicks here to actually attend, they click this one button, they're sent to a landing page. We send out the calendar invite, and then we gather the calendar invite information back in our reporting engine itself. So how do we do that? Is we do that via this API we've built. So this API which we built here, as I walk you through it all again, select the code, stuff the code into the email template, deploy the template, and what happens there is somebody clicks it, it goes to the API gateway, we send your customer to a splash screen, a predetermined splash screen of ours, or yours if you want to put your redirect splash screen in there. We send out the calendar invite, and then we gather that granulated data. Now, the importance of iterating through this is to show you all that this is a real piece of tech, and we encourage you to go check us out at 31events.com for the calendar invite server itself if you actually want to become a customer there, install it in your account. Or you can go check out something called calendarsnack.com. It's been around a long time, and we have thousands of customers use it every year to actually go generate calendar snacks to go test our technology out. Thanks for stopping by.